Hello children, in this part we are going to learn ta to na words. We are going to learn ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Of these letters, words we are going to learn in this part. Okay children, are you ready to learn? Yes, shall we start? Yeah. So this is first letter ta. This is our today's first letter ta. Let's see what words we have with this letter. So here we have ता से टमाटर. हमारे पास क्या है बच्चों? ता से टमाटर है. ता से टमाटर, टोमेटो. ओके, इसका रंग लाल होता है. यह बहुत से सब्जियों में उपयोग किया जाता है. We use this vegetable in many curries, tomato sauce, isn't it? In other pickle and in many varieties we use this vegetable. So ta se टमाटर is a vegetable. Next we have ta से टंकी. क्या है हमारे पास? ता से टंकी, टैंक. We have ta से टंकी, टैंक. What does a tank mean? What picture can you see here? It's a fish tank. Can you see an aquarium here? It's an aquarium. It's a fish tank. Not only this tank, water tanks. Have you seen big water tanks in your village? That is also known as tanki. That big water tanks are also known as tanki, tank. Shall we move on to the next verse, children? So we have ta se टमाटर, ता से टंकी. आगे देखिए क्या है. ये है हमारे पास ता से टीला. कैसे पढ़ेंगे इसे? टीला, माउंड. ता से टोपी, CAP कैप, टोपी, CAP कैप. टीला मतलब क्या होता है? It's a heap of soil. Tila is a heap of soil. See, ants make hill of their house. Where ants live, it's a heap of soil. Okay, there will be very tiny holes from which only an ant can enter. If we dare to do that, they will bite us, isn't it? So better we don't dare to touch the ant hill. So tila, ta se tila. एंड ता से टोपी. ता से क्या है? टोपी. मतलब CAP कैप. टोपी मतलब CAP कैप. We use to cover our head. Okay, we use to cover our head. ता से टापू. बोलो बच्चों मेरे साथ. टापू, island. It is not island. Here we have S is a silent letter. So we should pronounce it island. How to pronounce this word? Island. Island. It's an island. Do you know what is a tapu? आपको मालूम है टापू क्या होता है? No? Okay, I will tell you. A tapu or an island is a place which is completely surrounded by water from all the sides. Island. Okay, an island is a place which is completely surrounded by water. See, can you see in this picture? Just a small piece of land in between, and here we have all around water. Okay, all around water. So ta se tapu, island. Do you know any island name? No? Find out. Okay, it's a quiz for you. Find out an island name from your parents. You can take a help of your parents. So here we have another word. Ta se टहनी. क्या है? Ta se टहनी, twig. क्या है हमारे पास? Twig. It's a tiny branches of a tree. Twig is a tiny branches of a tree which is used to make nest. Many birds use this twig to make their nest, and even many birds just sit and relax on the twig of a tree. ता से टहनी. आगे देखिए क्या है हमारे पास. हमारे पास है ता से टोकरी। क्या है बच्चों हमारे पास? टा से टोकरी। जानते हैं आप ये टोकरी? बास्केट। यस, इट्स अ बास्केट। कहाँ देखा है आपने ऐसे बास्केट को, ऐसी टोकरी को? हैव यू विजिटेड मॉल्स? Yes, yeah, we can find this type of baskets mainly in shopping malls. We can take a basket and we can choose whatever items we need and we just put on this basket and then we go for billing. So, ta se tokri. Even at homes also we use this basket to put many things. And here we have ta se टीका. क्या है हमारे पास? टीका. Injection. See, one injection and an arm. Okay, so an arm is injected by an injection. So टीका. अब है हमारे पास टा से टीवी. टा से क्या है? टीवी. What is the full form of TV? Television, where we can see, we can enjoy. Okay, it's an olden days television. Nowadays you have LCDs and LEDs, okay, which is just fixed on the wall. But earlier days, in olden days, we used to have this type of TVs where buttons were there. We used to go near the television and we have to touch the button so that we can change the channel. But nowadays we have remote. We have remote control. Easily we can sit anywhere and we can just switch on to the another channel. So ta se TV, it is used for entertainment. Ta se telephone. Okay, telephone. It is used for talking, for communication. It is used for communication. These type of telephones are not present nowadays. Only maybe in post office or any olden government offices we can find these type of telephones. Shall we move on to the next, children? Yes? Let's see what we have next. Yeah, we have come to the next letter. We have finished with the ta letter. We have learned ta se tomato, ta se टहनी, ta se टोकरी, ta se टीवी, ta se टीका, ta से और क्या सीखा हमने? टा से टीला, टा से टीला, टा से टापू, टा से टेलीफोन. तो हमने इतने सारे शब्द सीखे. Still we have many words which you can learn and you can remember. Next letter we have tha. Now we have letter tha. Let's see what we have with this letter. था से ठंडक. था से क्या है? ठंडक. Coolness. Where we get these type of coolness? Can you say, children? Yes, in front of a refrigerator. In front of a refrigerator, when we open the door, we get a cool wind on our face or in our hands and all over the body, isn't it? So that is a cool wind when we open the door of a refrigerator. But it's an artificial wind, isn't it? It is not a natural cool wind. It's an artificial cool wind. Tha se thandak. Tha se thandak. Coolness. Next we have tha se ठोस. What do we have? Tha se ठोस. ठोस means solid. ठोस मतलब क्या होता है? Solid. What is a solid? See here. It is made up of concrete, cement. Okay, it's very strong. We cannot at all destroy this. It's very difficult to destroy this. So whichever is very strong and can't be destroyed easily is known as a solid thing. Okay, so it's a solid. ठोस. था से ठंडा. Chill. You like to drink chilled cool drinks and other juices, isn't it? You like to drink cool, very chilled lemon juice or any fruit juice and whatever you like. But you want it should be very chilled. Okay, tha se thanda. But children, see that whenever you drink any cool drink or anything like this liquid form, it should be in the temperature which your body can resist. Okay, tha se thanda. Here we have tha se ठंडाई. बोलो बच्चों मेरे साथ. ठंडाई. क्या है ये? डाई, ठंडाई मतलब क्या होता है देखिए, इंडियन मिल्क ड्रिंक, इट्स एन इंडियन मिल्क ड्रिंक, इट इज मेड in some special occasions like Holi, Shivaratri and other occasions. It is made to serve to the guest. It's an Indian milk drink. ठंडाई। आगे बढ़े बच्चों, देखे क्या है हमारे पास और हमारे पास है ठा से ठेंगा। क्या है? ठा से ठेंगा। ठेंगा मतलब थंब। See here, thumbs up. We show na when we are done with our work, we should just raise our thumb and say thumbs up. It means we have finished our work perfectly, completely. So tha se thenga, thumb. Here we have tha se ठहाका. हमारे पास है ठहाका. ठहाका means when we laugh with full of enjoyment. Now we do not see here and there whoever is looking at us, and when we are very happy we laugh at full presence of mind, or don't know what, we just feel that to laugh, we just go on laughing. So see here, ha 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 ha, that is ठहाका. tha se ठहाका. Here we have tha se thela, hand cart. Thela is hand pulling trolley where luggages and goods can be transported from one place to another. Tha se thela. Next see tha se theek hai, means okay, all are fine, all are good. सब ठीक है, we use this word ठीक है, सब कुछ ठीक है मतलब okay, all are okay. ठीक है, क्या है? ठीक है. Now we have letter da. We have letter da. We have finished with da, tha. Now we have letter da. Let's see which words we have with da. So here we have da se dalia, basket. You don't get confused, children. Tokri is also basket and dalia is also basket. But when a wooden material is used in this shape or in a different shape, that is dalia. Okay, that is dalia. Wooden things are known as dalia, and other plastic material and any other material we say tokri. Now here we have da se danda. Okay, walking stick or wooden rod. Da se danda. Your grandparents uses this for support. Okay, for walking they use this for walking. They take the support of this stick for walking. Sometimes some members only uses when they need, really they need support, they take the help of this da se danda. Now here we have da se डाकिया. डा से क्या है? डाकिया. डाकिया मतलब पोस्टमैन. डाकिया मतलब क्या है? पोस्टमैन who work in a post office. डाकघर. Post office means डाकघर where a postman works. He just deliver the letters and parcels and money orders, whatever has come for the people. So he is a government servant and he has to deliver the letters, parcels, money orders, whatever has come for the persons or a public. So da se डाकिया, da se डाकघर, postman, post office. A postman works on a post office. Where does a postman work? In post office. Let's see what we have next. Diary. ये है diary. Don't get confused with the spellings. This is diary and this is dairy. Diary, dairy. Da se diary. Diary means it's a notebook. Okay, you note down your assignments and homeworks in your school diary, isn't it? In your school diary, you note down your homeworks and the other notifications. But dairy is a place where milk products are produced. Okay, milk products are made. Dairy is a place where milk products are made, like curd, your buttermilk, your ghee, butter and other milk products, ice cream and many paneer and many other things are made in dairy. So This is da se dairy. Here your favorite, da se dosa. Da se dosa. Here you use dosa, isn't it? You say dosa, dose, dosa. But in Hindi we use this da to pronounce dosa. Okay, it is an South Indian dish. It's a South Indian dish. Dosa. It is served with different kinds of chutneys and so on. Da se double roti. A bread is known as double roti. A bread is known as double roti. So dosa and double roti. Dha. So we have finished ta, tha, da. Now we have dha. Shall we move on to the letter dha? Yes? Very good, children. Here we have dha से ढाबा. हमारे पास है ढाबा. Dhaba, what is a dhaba? A roadside restaurant where you can just stop and have a quick meal. So dhaba, roadside restaurant. Dha se dhona, to carry. To carry anything is known as dhona. Just a small picture of an ant. See, a small ant also carries its own load and it saves for the difficult situations. It does not waste any short of anything. It saves each and everything for the future. It works regularly. It's a really very hard-working insect, what to say, living being. So, dha se dhona, to carry load. Dha se dhaba, dha se dhona. Dha se dholak, dha se dhol. Both are musical instruments and both are used in marriages and other celebrations. Okay, both are very grandly used in grand celebrations. It need a lot of training to play these instruments. Anybody just can't play any tune in this drums, isn't it? We need a special training. We should learn to play this type of drums. So dholak and dhol, both are different in shape and both the sounds are also different. Next we have dhakkan. Dha se dhakkan, lid. We have dhakkan, lid. Dha se dhai. क्या है हमारे पास? Dhai, 2.5. Okay, 2/4 or 2.5 is dhai. And dhakkan means lid. Any cap of a bottle or any utensil is known as lid. Dhakkan. Dha se dhai, 2.5. Next letter. Now we have ana letter. We have ana letter. We cannot write any word starting from this letter. Ana. Ana से कुछ नहीं. Ana से खाली. Ana से कोई भी शब्द हम शुरू नहीं कर सकते. Whereas we can use at the end like charan, baan, hiran. So we cannot start from this letter, but we have words with this letter which comes either in the middle or at the end, like charan, baan, hiran and so on. So these were the words from ta to ana. Okay, so we have learned ta, tha, da, dha and ana. क्या क्या सीखा हमने बच्चों? टा से ठा, डा, ढा और अणा. अणा से तो शब्द नहीं है, लेकिन टा से, ठा से, डा से और ढा से हमारे पास बहुत सारे शब्द हैं. उनमें से कुछ शब्दों को हमने आज सीखा है. So you still can learn many words starting from those letters that are ta, tha, da, dha. Okay. So we will meet on the next upcoming class, that is ta to na letters and words starting from those letters. Bye children. Thank you.